Trumpet Mutes Uncovered, Sounds and Silences. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the musical world to understand what trumpet mute means. It's not just about silencing, it's about transforming sounds. Let's get started and discover the beauty behind this term. A trumpet mute is a device that a musician inserts into the bell of a trumpet to alter the instrument's sound. It's used to change the timbre or tone quality of the trumpet, not necessarily to make it quieter. The mute can create a range of sounds from a buzzing, nasally tone to a soft, mellow sound. There are several types of mutes, each with a unique sound. The straight mute gives a crisp, muted tone, while the cup mute offers a softer, darker quality. The Harmon mute, with its distinctive stem, creates a buzzy, wah-wah effect. And the plunger mute? Well, that's actually a plumber's helper used to create a talkative, muted sound. Using a mute is straightforward. The player gently inserts the mute into the trumpet's bell. The key is to ensure a snug fit without forcing it, as this can affect the tuning. Mutes are used in various musical genres, from classical to jazz, to convey different emotions and sounds. Trumpet mutes don't just alter sound. They express feelings and moods in music. A jazz solo might use a mute for a sultry sound, while a classical piece might require a mute for a mysterious atmosphere. It's a tool for musicians to enhance their artistic expression. And there you have it. The trumpet mute is a wonderful example of how musicians can shape their instrument's voice. We hope you enjoyed this exploration into musical terms and their meanings. Keep practicing your English and stay curious about the sounds around you.